Guys, today we're going to make marble cake. So first we're going to make vanilla cake, and here are the necessary ingredients. We'll need half cup of sugar, 1/4 cup of oil, half cup of curd, and 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. There are other ingredients, but first of all, we need to mix these. And we're going to keep mixing until the sugar dissolves. So the batter should be like this, a very nice, thick, smooth batter. Now we're going to add 1 cup of all-purpose flour to a bowl, 1 teaspoon of baking powder, and ½ teaspoon of baking soda. And now we're going to mix everything. And now we're going to add our dry mixture into the batter. Once we do this, we're going to start mixing with a spatula. So this is how your batter should look like. And now we're going to take 1/3 of cup and we're going to slowly add little by little water to it. This is how our batter should be looking like. Now we're going to divide it into 2 equal parts. Now our batter is ready, and we're going to add 1 spoon and a half to one of them. And now we're going to mix it. Now that our batter is ready, we are going to make our marble cake. You need to grease the pan with oil, and I've already done it. And you're going to add 2 teaspoons of each. And you're just going to keep putting it in the middle. So we're going to keep adding layers and layers just like that until the whole cake takes the shape of the pan. So this is how our cake should look like. So just take a fork and add the finishing touches to make it extra special. Once you're done, you're going to bake it for 180 degrees centigrade for 30 minutes. Does this cake look yummy? Well, if it does, bake it at home. Now we're going to put it in the oven. So here's our yummy cake, and it looks so good. Let's check out the inside. It's like a sponge. It's really nice and really smooth. And the pattern is so nice, like striped like a zebra. Like, share, and subscribe to our channel.